Welcome to I Want Paella, and today we're making a seafood and chorizo paella that is colorful, dramatic, and absolutely packed with flavor. We're starting with the good stuff: paella rice, smoky chorizo, shrimp, mussels, onion, red pepper, garlic, paprika, saffron, white wine, stock, olive oil, and a little fresh parsley at the end. Everything has a job here, and when it all comes together, it is beautiful. First, let's prep. Slice the chorizo into chunky little coins. Dice the onion and red pepper. Mince the garlic, and let those saffron threads wake up in a splash of warm liquid. That saffron is tiny, but trust me, it brings the magic. Now, get your paella pan nice and hot. Add a generous pour of olive oil and wait until it shimmers. Not smoking, not sleepy, just shimmering. That's when you know the pan is ready. In goes the chorizo, and listen to that sizzle. This is where the flavor starts. The oil turns red-orange, the aroma hits the air, and suddenly everyone in the house becomes interested in dinner. Let the chorizo release all that smoky richness. Then add the onion and red pepper. Stir them through the oil until they soften and pick up those golden edges. Now, add the garlic and paprika. Just a quick moment here, because garlic is delicious, but burnt garlic is a crime. Next, the rice arrives. Pour it in and stir so every grain gets coated in that gorgeous flavored oil. This step matters. We're not just adding rice, we're building the base of the whole dish. Let it toast slightly, then bring in the white wine. Big sizzle, big steam, big flavor. Let it bubble away until the sharpness softens and the rice absorbs that beautiful aroma. Now comes the signature moment, the saffron. Pour in the stock with the saffron and watch the color bloom through the pan, turning everything golden, warm, and irresistible. From this point on, remember the paella rule. Spread it out, then don't stir. I know it's tempting. Put the spoon down. Let the rice do its thing. Now nestle in the shrimp and mussels. As the paella simmers, the shrimp turn pink, the mussels open, and the whole pan starts looking like a celebration. Any mussels that stay closed, out they go. No drama. When the rice is tender and the top looks glossy, finish with fresh parsley. And there it is, golden rice, smoky chorizo, juicy seafood, and that unmistakable saffron glow. One bite, and yes, that is paella happiness.